Every current opens up an opportunity for evolution. Each extraordinary idea creates opportunities for smart cities to grow. The constant rapid progress and expansion originates from an endless, uninterrupted electricity supply. With safety and stability as our ultimate goals, Horng Yu. Combining experience and craftsmanship, electricity is utilized flexibly to make the world greener and more intelligent. Leading you to electricity change, Horng Yu Electric Co. Limited. Horng Yu provides various power system solutions, from front-end system design and manufacturing to installation and operation. We provide switchgears, busbars, and customized solutions for electric projects. Horng Yu is the most professional power administrator of smart cities. Our perfect craftsmanship comes from our innovation and R&D capacity. We have a tough certified laboratory, constantly engage in independent R&D, and combine over 35 years of rich technical experience. We develop products, services, and engineering methods that best meet the needs of industries. With brand new technology and a brand new mindset, we empower electricity with new intelligence. To continue improving our products, quality control is implemented throughout the production process, and advanced high-precision production technology is introduced. Through insistence on the pursuit of excellent quality and high standards, as well as our high quality and quick processing advantages, our professional process meets international standards. By capturing the direction of the world and deploying leading technology, each and every possibility of product applications has been considered during our front-end product design. Through customized solutions for high-mix, low-volume manufacturing, we produce innovative products that best fit customers' needs. Our level of service quality creates a bedrock of trust. We firmly believe that each pipeline will make life more convenient for countless people. Each facility will help enterprises grow. With over 35 years of experience in engineering services, rigorous construction and after-sales maintenance services have been provided, earning countless praise and recognition. To meet customer needs and respond to market trends, a wide variety of comprehensive products and agency business have been launched. In the future of smart cities, Horng Yu will continuously provide people with safe and stable power systems and will not stop exploring new possibilities. We are constantly promoting smart energy management to help customers reduce costs, control real-time situations, eliminate accidents and injuries, and prevent unnecessary energy burdens on the Earth, actively participating in energy conservation, carbon reduction, and climate change mitigation. From the past to the present, we've accumulated energy for a better world bit by bit at a steady pace, allowing us to grow and expand. Never forgetting that success comes from continuous contribution to public welfare. Along with our government and social organizations, we consciously fulfill our corporate social responsibility. Horng Yu will stride forward, expanding to every corner of the world to become a driving force that pushes our world to evolve, always at our customer's side. Leading you to electricity change, Horng Yu Electric Co. Limited.